I've always believed that design is a journey and not the product at the end of it, because I think the journey is far more fun, far more exciting and challenging when we put things together. So if you look at the layout of the house, it's pretty nice in the way that you enter a house and you're bam into the living room, which is a big massive space, which again has two kinds of seating. One is the informal living and one is the formal living. From this entire common space, if you move to either sides of the house, are the private spaces which belong to different family members. The first thing I thought to myself was, how do I make sure all this light that is coming in is retained in the house? Because it's very important for the health of the house also to have that natural light and ventilation going. Also, to complement, I think, natural light, you need mood lighting that's created in the house. So if you see every space, there will be a combination of direct light, which is important for you to do tasks. There will be indirect light, which creates a nice mood. And then there is ambient lighting by the use of the chandeliers or wall lamps or floor lamps that we kind of balance into the space. A house should be comfortable. So I think because each person's room has been designed to their liking, their preferences, we've ensured that it's comfortable for them, and that's how I would like a user to feel in the space. And there we've designed the wardrobes very interestingly because it's so huge, it's like 11 feet. That's the USP of the house, that everything is 11 feet, 11 inches in this house. We've tried to keep all the wardrobe shutters also installed to accentuate that height. I mean, the vistas in this house is just beautiful, so we try to extract that the most from each room. The curves in the balcony are a derivative of the urban setting below, where you'll see the roads curve, the main road, the Eastern Express Highway curves in, and that's the curve we've taken on the balcony and carried forward on the elevation of the balcony as well. So that kind of created a very interesting flow of space from one to the other. You don't feel completely disconnected from the ground level, so that's how we kind of anchored the entire thing. We've not limited ourselves to one material or one color. We've played with shades of the same and layers of texture which have probably come together to create the space that you're looking at.